Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to easily pair your regular AirPods or AirPods Pro to your iPhone 8. So the process is incredibly easy. Let's get started. So the first step is you want to make sure Bluetooth is turned on right here. And then next you want to open up your AirPods or AirPods Pro case right here with the AirPods inside of them. And usually you get a pop-up asking to connect. So what we'll do is we'll also turn on Wi-Fi. We'll reload this. Interesting. So for some reason, it seems like this is not working. So I'm just going to put the AirPods back in. Okay, so if this isn't working for some reason, usually you get a nice pop-up, you tap on connect. It seems like we're going to have to do this manually. So on the back of your AirPods, right, you can see there is this white button. You want to hold this down until your AirPods start flashing white right here. So you want to see them like blinking. And there we go. Okay, so we have this pop-up, right? And because I'm on iOS 11, I get this, some features are limited. If you're on iOS 12 or newer, 13 or newer even, 13.2, you should see a nice AirPods logo, and you'll be able to connect your AirPods or AirPods Pro nice and easy. But instead, we're going to tap on Setup with Limited Functionality. And now, our AirPods or AirPods Pro are going to connect to our iPhone. So we'll just wait for it to do its thing. There we go, audio accessory. Usually if you're on iOS 13 or newer, we'll say AirPods Pro. And we have a green light, meaning the connection did work. And then, yeah, you can see Alpha's AirPods Pro. And then we can tap on Done. So let's check in Settings, Bluetooth. And you can see Alpha's AirPods Pro have been successfully connected. And you can tell that iOS 11 is a bit buggy. So we have noise cancelling mode, normal mode. You'd have transparency mode on iOS 11. If you want to turn it on, all you do is you just hold the buds, right? So you see this, Jesus Christ, you see this like tip right here, you hold that down and it should move you into transparency mode. If you have regular AirPods, you can connect them perfectly fine on iOS 11. Most people watching this video are going to be iOS 14. If you're on iOS 13, so make sure you're on 13.2 or newer. And really, that's all there is to it. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe if you're brand new. Also, if you're subscribed and you watch this, smash like, right? I see all the comments, I don't see the likes. So yeah, just do that. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.